So I'm going to be teaching you this movement. Yeah. Da, 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 da. Then. So yeah. So that movement is da 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 da. So basically it's this 3 6 7 1. Then I did this through to the sharp 4. That going to the 5. Then 3 4. Then drop 2s. You need to learn your drop 2s like. Very easy, very easy. So let's do something. Let's do this chord. What's the name of this chord? Let's get right down. So that chord is a D flat major flat 5. You see? Ooh. So let's apply it in a song. Let's say we're in the key of F sharp. And they were doing Glorious God, Beautiful King, Excellent God. So that melody line is 3 4 3 2 1. But then we'll have that chord. So glorious God to the 5. Beautiful, excellent God. You see the way I play? I applied the song. So, glorious God. Excellent. Before for you. Before you. So maybe. So let's even apply this chord as if it's a 4. That's on the key of A flat. You are God from beginning to the end. But now you go from beginning to the end. There's no. So that's. Let's apply it as okay. So I know how to do it. Let's go to C sharp. You are God. Then you see, there's no place. The top note is always like the melody. So to build out the chord. So there's no place for and you can even drop it down like so. I'm dropping some jazz stuff for you guys. So let's actually use it in beat with a beat or something. So let's go. You are God. You Woo! You see, this chord is a C9 sus4. I think it's sus4. Woo! Again. What am I doing there? Actually, I'm coupling that chord that we say we love so much. I'm coupling it with a tritone. So we've got this. So what you are hearing on the left hand is major chords. B major, B flat major, A flat major, F sharp major on the key of C sharp, né? And then my left hand is doing so again. Together. Let's use another song so that to drive it home. Let's apply it again as a sharp 4 in the key of C. You are God from beginning to the end. There's no place for argument. You are God. So you can use it to apply like tension. Do you see the way we apply that chord? Or instead of now, to now be so the papa so papa so papa papa Okay, let's use another. How do we apply it again? Let's apply it as there's no God like Jehovah. There's no God like Jehovah. There's no God like Jehovah. So now on that. So woo! There's no God like Jehovah. 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 There's no one like Jehovah. There's no God like Jehovah. There's no God like Jehovah. So there's so many ways we can spice this thing up, and just don't forget this chord. So I hope this really helps your playing, and see you in the next one. Cheers.